I'm going to have question number 6 of exercise 4.2. Question number 6 of exercise 4.2. They are saying that x square minus 2kx, x square minus 2kx plus k square plus k square equals to 3 plus x equals to 3 plus x has real roots. Has real roots. This is the question given to me. X square minus 2kx plus k square equals to 3 plus x has real roots. Okay? They are saying that they have got the real roots and they are saying find least value, find least value of k. I have to find the least value of k. I have to find the smallest value of k. Okay. Now, when they are giving us the word of real roots, it means that they are talking about discriminant. Okay. The concept of discriminant is there when they are giving us real roots. So, discriminant real roots not equals to not different are given, so I will be writing d will be greater than or equals to 0. Okay. Now, how will I go on with further? In the steps of solution, I have given you that first of all, whatever is the equation given to you, you have to simplify it. X square minus 2kx plus k square 3 plus x. Whatever your equation is given, I have written it again over here. Now I am simplifying it, so I am shifting everything on one side. X square minus 2kx minus x plus k square minus 3 equals to 0. Okay? X square minus 2kx minus x plus x square minus 3 equals to 0. First step, my equation is simplified. After that, x square term, x terms and the constant should be written together. Okay? Now, we are going to have, see, I have got single x square term. So I have written it again. X term and x term. Two x terms are there. So I am going to take x common. From these two, I am going to take x common. So what will remain? Minus 2k minus 1. And always take your x square or x positive. In positive, you will take common, not with negative sign. Even if their all terms are negative, you will not take it with negative sign. You will take common it with positive sign. Okay. After that, what is remaining? Plus k square minus 3 equals to 0. Okay. So now I can't do anything further. So whatever is written with x square, nothing is written. So I will consider that there is a 1 over there. Of course, if nothing is written as a coefficient with any variable, we say that there is 1 over there. Then b is minus 2k minus 1 and c is k square minus 3. Coefficient or whatever is written with x square will be mentioned as a. Whatever is written with b, whatever is written with x will be considered as b. And whatever is written without x, the constants, they will be considered as c. Okay. Now they have said it has real roots. Real roots means discriminant is greater than or equals to 0. What is discriminant? Discriminant is b squared minus 4ac. That's the formula for discriminant. B squared minus 4ac. Okay. And according to the given situation, it is greater than or equals to 0. Right? So what will I do? In place of b, minus 2k minus 1 whole square minus 4. In place of a, I will write 1. In place of c, I will write k square minus 3 greater than or equals to 0. Okay. Now, in this one, both have got minus sign and a squaring identity is there. So if both is minus sign, you can apply positive squaring identity. How? See, I can take minus common, so it will become 2k plus 1 whole square minus plus minus 4k square minus plus 4 3s are 12 greater than or equals to 0. Okay. Now squaring sign is there. The squaring sign will be applied on minus. The squaring sign will be applied on bracket. So what I am going to have over here become square of minus means minus multiplied by minus. The result will be plus. When I will apply this square on this minus sign, the result will be plus. Okay. The square will be plus. We are going to have expanding this 2k plus 1 whole square. This square is applied on minus sign. It becomes plus. And now this square is applied on 2k plus 1 whole square minus 4k square plus 12 greater than or equals to 0. Okay. Now simplifying it further. So expanding this one by using positive identity, a square plus 2ab b square. Okay, what I have done, I have expanded this thing by using identity a plus b whole square identity. Okay, that's why a square plus 2ab. Okay, and then there will be a b square also minus this thing and this thing. So when I will simplify it, this will become 4k square 2 to the 4k plus 1 minus 4k square plus 12 greater than or equals to 0. Okay. 4k square minus 4k square will be cancelled. Right. So 4k plus 1 plus 12 plus 13 greater than or equals to 0. Plus 13 will be shifted over here. 4k minus 13. K is greater than or equals to minus 13 over 4. Okay. Till now, k is coming greater than or equals to minus 13 over 4. In this question, they haven't asked me the range of value. They have asked for they have asked for least value of k. So what I am going to do over here? They have said that I want least value of k. Okay, they have said that I want least value of k, and over here I have got this one, k is greater than or equals to minus 13/4. So first value of k will be minus 13/4, and the other values will be greater than this. So in this range, what is the smallest value? The smallest value of k will be minus 13/4. Okay, it is just like if I am saying 3 or more student can come to me. 3 or more student can come to me. So what will be the lowest number of a student which can come to me? That will be 3. In the same way over here, k is greater than or equals to minus 13/4. So the smallest value of k will be minus 13/4.